Welcome everyone in our course of Logistics and Supply Chain Management Interview, Questions and Answers. In a changing environment, logistics planning minimizes risk by enabling companies to anticipate changes and develop strategies to adapt to these changes. Supply chains are constantly changing, which is why many companies have logistics strategies for specific product lines, geographic regions, or customer segments. That allows them to adapt to market changes affecting one region or business area, while maintaining efficiency in others. So this course will allow you to have a big understanding picture of different areas in logistics and supply chain management, including operational tools and techniques of warehousing management. Who is this course for? This course is for beginners who want to discover supply chain and logistics from scratch. Also for who want to improve his logistics and supply chain career by learning more terms and definitions. For students at business school who want to understanding different areas in logistics and supply chain management. And for importers and exporters who are new to the market. Also, anyone need to start his career at logistics and supply chain management and want to know how to prepare for job interviews, how to communicate effectively during a job interview, how to deal with tough questions during a job interview, and also how to increase your odds of getting a job offer. At the end of this course, you will be able to understand supply chain and logistic management definitions and characteristics. In addition to making a great first impression and gaining interview confidence in order to handle challenging questions. There is no requirement for prior expertise. All you need is a desire to improve yourself and your career. Thank you, and I hope you will enjoy the course waiting for you at Lecture 1.